Hi guys, I am Vishakha Bag, NISM IRDA and LIMRA certified investment trainer and your professional financial advisor. This is our first audio visual class towards personal financial management. In this first session, we will understand the basics, importance and need of personal financial management in our life. We all take care of our health, such as we have to take care of our wealth also. If anyone want to succeed in his or her life, then he or she must take in mind that health and wealth are the two sides of the same coin named success. Health is like a money. You never have a true idea of its value until you lose it. If you are an earning person currently or a student and appearing for a new life, becoming a bread earner towards your family, then this topic is more relevant to you. Personal finance in simple terms means how you manage your money. This means how you manage your money towards your liabilities, responsibilities as well as your and your family's future and current needs and requirements. Personal finance covers aspects like saving, investment, banking, budgeting, mortgages and loans, insurance needs, real estate planning, retirement planning, child education, tax and estate planning. If anyone wants to achieve personal financial goal in his life, then he or she must take in mind and he have to manage their own finances. What are financial goals and how many financial and economical goals one should have? Financial goals are depend on their income earning capacity. Basically, there are three types of financial goals in everyone's life, and those are short term goal, medium term goal and long term goals. If you want to achieve all these three goals in your life, then you have to walk on the path of financial planning. All these goals are different from person to person because it depends on income, expenses, discretionary income, living standard, spending habits and individual desires. Now, we will see what is exactly mean by short term goal, medium term goal and long term goal. Take one example. If you want to buy a two-wheeler or if you want to clear a debt, say 1 lakh or 2 lakh, then for this reason you have to save money for minimum 1 to 2 years to achieve this short term goal. Take another example. If you want to buy a flat or if you want to build a house for yourself, then this is your medium term goal, and for this reason you have to save money for minimum 5 years to maximum 8 to 10 years. This is your medium term goal. Now take another example. If you want to build a corpus for your retirement planning or your child's higher education or your children's marriage, then for this reason you have to save and invest money consistently 15 to 20 years. This is your long term goal. In personal finance, basic things that you must understand what are needs and wants. What is the difference between needs and wants and what is the difference between saving and investment. Budgeting is the first step in personal financial management. Budget creates a roadmap to you. How much you are spending, how much you have to save, what is your discretionary income, and that discretionary income you want to save it or you want to spend it. All these things you have to decide in personal finance. Nowadays, where everything is unpredictable, you must have to earn money smartly as well as you must know how to spend and save and invest that money smartly too. Personal finance involves budgeting, creating emergency fund, spending wisely, clearing of debt, using credit card wisely and saving for each your financial goals that are short term, long term and medium term. Understanding and implementing personal finance is essential because it can help you to increase your cash flow. By keeping track on expenditure and spending patterns, you can easily increase your cash flow. By managing finances and doing tax planning, you cannot lose your hard-earned money. In case of your unfortunate event or unfortunate death, we all need emergency fund or insurance to fulfill our daily needs and to make life smooth. In all these aspects, personal finance is most important. In personal finance, timing is also most significant. Personal finance teaches us time value of money so that we can use the present value of money wisely to achieve our future goals. So, this is the end of our first audio-visual lesson. In the next session, we will understand deeply every aspect, that is how to budget, how to trim our spending, and where and how to save and invest, etc. Till then, goodbye, take care, healthy mind, wealthy people. Stay home, stay safe. Please like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel Invest Smart. The subscription is free. Thank you.